Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be adding another layer or level to my storage platform in the back of my Jeep. That should be on the screen right now. It's just that flat platform with the carpet on it. It looks really good, but I'm going to go ahead and make another level so it's kind of even with the side of the tub kind of, but well, you'll see whenever I take a video of it. We're going to go ahead and cut 4 legs that raises it up, and then we're going to have a platform on top. So it's going to be 2 levels. And it's gonna be really good for space. So I'll have a lower level where I can get to with just that back gate open, but then if I roll up that back window, then I can get to the other stuff that is on that second level. So go ahead and show you guys my plan. So to give you guys a better view, I know the lighting is terrible right now, but I want to kind of add legs right here and then have another layer that kind of meets up with this part right here. So the top would be kind of right there. It'd go across, and then I would have 2 layers, one where it's really easy to get to down here, and then one where I have to roll up this window and then get to other stuff up here. So I have these pieces that are cut to even lengths. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and then screw them to this and kind of figure out what I'm gonna use for the platform that'll be up here. So these are gonna sit right here. I'm gonna drill out holes for that and then build the platform across those 4. So the base kind of frame is put together. As you can see, this is laying down. You have the legs standing up, so I can have a platform on top of that. It's almost done, so we're getting there. Now let's keep moving. All right, so it is a few hours later. I got distracted because my dad actually bought a Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, but don't worry, I'll make a video on that in the future. I actually went ahead and cut a piece of plywood and cut out the notches for everything that I need. And I'm gonna go ahead and test fit it. Probably gonna be a pain to get in because of all the bars. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Anyways, I'm gonna get that in the Jeep as a test fit and then show you guys how it fits. And then if it fits well, then I'm gonna go ahead and plan on what I'm gonna do to. If you guys have any suggestions, make sure you leave them down in the comments below. I might also just cover it in a fabric, maybe like a little thin layer of foam and then fabric on top. So as you can see, we got it all in there, and I think it fits really nicely. It fits just up to this bar right here, and as you can see, my container fits perfectly underneath it, and it gives me privacy and it gives me more space to put stuff on top, so I can stack stuff on top if I need to. But unfortunately, that is going to be it for this video. I am going to be finishing it up, wrapping the top and probably a layer of foam and then maybe a black layer of fabric, as well as wrapping this with probably a layer of fabric. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you leave a like and comment down what I should cover them with. But with that being said, I'll see you guys very, very soon.